I've just come home from work and there's literally no one home. And I don't really know where anyone is. They haven't said anything. Usually we have a little group chat and everyone will put in the group chat like, oh, we're doing this, we're doing that, but no one said anything. So I don't really know what we're doing. But today I am going to Caitlin's. I've got a little protein shake that I don't really like, so I'm gonna give it to Adam. It's white chocolate. I thought I'd like it because I'm not a massive fan of protein shakes, but I thought white chocolate would be the one. Anyway, off topic, but today I'm going to Caitlin's house and we are making cookies. We are baking, we're having a baking evening and I'm so excited for it. And she's told me earlier, we are doing it in pyjamas. So I've just come down to grab my pyjamas. I'm going for Christmassy pyjamas, not super Christmassy. Well, they are super Christmassy, but it's kind of a balance at the same time. They're kind of my in-betweeny Christmassy because it's Christmas patterns, but it's not the most Christmassy pyjamas that I own. I will show you the most Christmassy pyjamas that I own, but it's not that because I kind of don't want to wear them today. Not for baking, they're white, so that is also an issue. We're baking today and I'm so excited and hungry. I'm getting some chicken nuggets for us, so I'm being completely and utterly treated. So these are my Christmassy pyjamas that I'm wearing now. I'll just get a bit higher. But these are the Christmassy pyjamas for now. This is tonight's attire for baking. But then I do also have really snuggly pyjamas as well that they're white, so they're gonna get dirty. I cannot have baking dust on these because, you know, it might stain baking dust. But yeah, I'm gonna go bake. I need to go get a box and then I'm gonna be off and bake at Caitlin's. I think we're doing gingerbread man and cake and potentially cookies, but I'm so excited. I love baking with Caitlin and her house. She's literally got a Pinterest house. It's the best ever and so toasty. So we finished with the gingerbread man. We're also watching After Christmas, but we finished with the gingerbread man. These are Caitlin's. Very nice, very cutesy. And then she also helped me with my ones. And we're not sticking with them. Well, we did a few. I tried to do some horror ones, but Caitlin's brother thinks that one looks like me. Caitlin didn't realise I did a Grinch one. Very sad. She also did a chig for me. Chicken pig. And now we've got some more at the top. I tried to do Jigsaw and Scream, but yeah, very Christmassy. So I've not long gotten home from Caitlin's. We have been baking and decorating gingerbread men from about 6 o'clock to, well, I think I left hers about 9:30 or thereabouts. It's now almost 10:30. I came in and showed my mum and everything, and I did ask some of my friends who this gingerbread man looks like, and one of them says it looks like a terrible gingerbread man, and a few others said Chucky, and it is meant to be Chucky. I don't know why. I didn't really fancy doing gingerbread men. I fancy doing horror ones. I really don't know why. I was on theme then. So I think we had Scream, Chucky and Jigsaw. This is my favourite. And then I did a Grinch one as well. Caitlin's was really cute. Caitlin's were like traditional, nice, cute ones, and mine were just chaotic. But it was really fun. It was really nice. And Caitlin made some chicken nuggets. As soon as I got there, chicken nuggets were ready and she already prepped the tea. So she was like, do you want a cup of tea? She knew I was going to say yes. And she had really nice Christmas mugs as well. Her house is so gorgeous. Like, it literally looks so from a Pinterest board. It's so pretty. It's like my dream goals. The kitchen is incredible. The oven sings to you when it's done. We were doing that. We watched Home Alone. I've not actually seen Home Alone before, I don't think. So I watched Home Alone and Caitlin's instructed me that when I get home, well, not necessarily tonight, but over the next 2 weeks I need to watch Home Alone 1 and 2. And yeah, that's my homework that Caitlin gave me. And then we watched Arthur Christmas as well. But yeah, we decorated the gingerbread man and just chilled for a little bit with her dog as well. And she made her mum's birthday cake as well. She made it as a school cake. It looked really cool. And it was really sweet actually. So yeah, that's what we've done today. I'm in bed now because, you know, 10:30 it's bedtime. Tomorrow then, I'm really hoping that a parcel comes tomorrow. I ordered some stuff off Shein. I had my first lot come last week and I was hoping that my second lot would be here like any time now, but it's not come yet. And I kind of need that because we're going to Bingo Lingo on Friday and I was hoping to wear something from there to Bingo Lingo on Friday, but if not, then I'm gonna have to like brainstorm. I might brainstorm tomorrow and just do some outfit planning. I need to sort things out as well. Keris has recently moved back home, which means that she will be staying with me after Bingo Lingo, and I already know Keris has not done Bingo Lingo before, so it's going to be a chaotic night anyway because it's a Bingo Lingo. I don't know why, but Jake and I had to drink a lot more than usual on Bingo Lingo nights. It's just funny. It's chaotic. I think one time I actually fell off the bench and knocked both of our drinks down at the same time, which meant that we couldn't play anymore because I knocked them over. Newly bought drinks. I knocked them over onto our bingo cards. So it was funny, and I think it was towards the end, I think, but it's always a good night when we do bingo lingo night. I just don't know what to wear. It's going to be freezing. Oh, it's going to be boiling, but it's going to be freezing. So yeah, tomorrow I think we're going to just plan things. I do need to sort out my room a slight bit just to make sure everything's ready then for Keris on Friday. And then Friday's going to be chaotic because it's going to be getting home quickly, getting changed really quickly, and then going straight into town to go to bingo lingo. Oh, so you're nice now that Adam's here. Yeah. Oh. Got these one to keep it nice and toasty in here. And I'll show you. Oh my god, I actually might have made this dye the other day. Is Emily brought in. I like a Christmas tree. That's our secret Santa box, but we're gonna decorate the box. But one keeps already in there. And then she brought in some decorations as well. She's so sweet. She's on holiday at the moment in Vienna. Kind of jealous. I have a very bad habit of going out when I'm hungry. So I've had a good day actually. I'll show you this. I've had a very good day. I had one of my clients brought me a tin of 4 box Quality Streets to say thank you. They're very grateful for my help in the matter. So I got a box of Quality Streets, which is really nice, and I've already had one. And some of my colleagues have had some as well. But then I just went out. It's lunchtime for the next half an hour. And I went into Heron Foods and Tesco Extra, and I secured quite a lot of goods. A very big bag of goods because I'm hungry, but I got, look at this. This is adorable. It's a tissue box, and I got one for myself and one for Emily, which I popped on her desk for when she comes back. I've given everyone their Christmas cards as well, so that's all done. I just came in to drop all my stuff down. I managed to put my bag down, and I accidentally dropped my my box of Quality Streets. What do you think, Tal? Stupid, isn't it? But yeah, they've gone. I don't even know where the lid is. Oh, the lid's on the sofa actually, and then everything else is on the floor. It is time for PT, and are we excited, Tally? I don't know if we're excited. I am excited, but I am a little nervous. But it'll be good. Guys, I'm actually deceased. I just had my PT session. You can hear Percy barking in the background, sorry. I just had my PT session. I was on the treadmill having a bit of a warm up, and she came over. Kate, I absolutely love Kate. She is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. She just did a high rocks competition, and she is loving life. But Kate came over and she's like, how do you fancy doing cardio today? I don't really train cardio. I used to do some running. I haven't done much running recently because it's a bit cold. I don't really want to go out in the cold, but we just did cardio, a full cardio session. And when I think of cardio, I'm quite boring. I'm like, oh, I'll go on the treadmill for a bit, I'll go for a run, I will go on a spin bike, sometimes the elliptical, but usually it's treadmill or spin. Those are my like cardio workouts. And she was like, right, we're gonna do cardio and we're gonna make this a bit fun, but you're gonna hate me afterwards, but it'll be fine. And I was like, oh, okay, brilliant. So we started off, here I am so flipping naive. She was like, so what we're gonna do is run 0.25 kilometers, then we're gonna go spin for 12 calories, and then we're gonna do 50 walking lunges with the sandbag on your back. And I was like, 50? She did 3 times to 150, and I was like, 150. I only did 90 because I could not move. So we did that, and I was just like, oh my God, why did I think that was it? And we're gonna move on to something else? I don't know, but I did. But one thing I will say, she said my back looks really nice in this top, so I am loving Kate right now. I love her anyway, but I am loving Kate. That compliment was just top tier, especially from PT. It was like, because that's like one of the goals is back. ABBA is my goal. That's how I remember it, is arms, back, bum, and abs. Arms, back, bum, and abs. Yeah, that's my goal. I kind of remember it as ABBA. That's like the main parts that I want to work on. So yeah, we were doing the row, and she was like, oh my God, your back looks so good in the row. And I was like, oh my God, yay, I love that. I love that compliment. That is like top tier compliment. So we did that, and she said, okay, I'll put everything back, and if you want to come over. I told her I hadn't been on ski erg before, so of course we had to do ski erg. So we did ski erg, and then we did devil press, and then like the squat, and then ball throws. That was fine. And then we finished off with abs, just when I thought, you know, we're fine. No, we did abs to finish it off. And she was like, you're gonna be so sore in the morning. My legs are already killing me, so work tomorrow is gonna be fun. My abs are already hurting me. I just went to the loo and stood up, and I was like, that's fun. So if I don't look snatched after all of this, and if my cardio isn't like through the roof after all of this, I will be so sad. But it was such a good session, but I'm so hot, so sweaty. and my mum's just brought chippy, so I'm ruining it all with a little bit of chips, and then I'm gonna have a shower and just kind of relax and just lie there and hopefully sleep very well tonight. But I'm so obsessed with the back comment, like, so good. Love the gains, baby gains, but we're getting the gains in. But yeah, so that was today. I didn't actually show you a fit check. I've got pink trainers on, which I kind of don't want to get on my bed, but I've got pink trainers on. The whole outfit is Gymshark, so this is the top and from the back, and then just the Vital Seamless leggings in brown, because I thought this is a nice little outfit to go together. I didn't realise we were doing cardio, otherwise I would have worn shorts. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat my chips and just relax. Okay, I'm in pain from yesterday, like so much pain. I woke up this morning and I was like, oh, it's only a slight ache, it's fine. But then I got further on in the day and I was like, oh, actually these stairs kind of hurt. And then it's just gone to the point now where I'm rushing because we're back home now. It is almost 5:30 and we need to get ready for Bingo Lingo, and I'm like, oh my god, it's going to be so painful, it's going to be, I don't know, but no pain, no gain. But it's Bingo Lingo night, which means it's Friday the 13th, which is really bizarre, but it's Bingo Lingo night, it's Christmas themed, and I still don't know what to wear. Karis is going to come over later after Bingo Lingo and stay at mine, but I've got to go in. I've got about half an hour to get ready and be at the train station, and I don't know what to wear at all. So because it's Christmas themed, I'm kind of thinking Christmas colours. First of all, I've got this little green skirt, which is from Windsor stores, I think, when I was in America. So this could be cute, and it's a skirt, and I was thinking this with a black top and boots could be a vibe. Option number 2, I haven't worn this yet, and I don't know whether to wear this or keep this for New Year's, but I don't know if I've got plans for New Year's, so I'm kind of like in the middle. I don't want to waste it, but I don't also want to waste it on tonight, and it could be messy tonight. Not saying it wouldn't be messy on New Year's, but it's a set from a White Fox. It's like an off-shoulder top and mini skirt duo. Then option 3 is, oh, you can't really see it, I put it inside out because the glitter was just getting over it, but it is a burgundy mini skirt and top duo, or we can go with just my black off-shoulder top. I'm gonna ask Mum for help because I really don't know. Okay, so we did it, success, I've done it, and I shall show you the outfit now. We did it so quick fire. This is the outfit for today. I've got a little bow in my hair as well, but it's black top that I got from Windsor stores, I think, as well. Black bow in my hair, which is, I believe, from New Look or Primark. Green skirt, which is from Windsor stores. I've got skin colour tights on because it's going to be cold. Boots and a little bag, which I think might be from Primark. I actually don't know. But this is the fit, and a gold necklace just to tie in gold and gold. And yeah, this is the outfit. I've done it, and now I need to go get the train, otherwise I'm going to be late. But I'm so excited and I'm so hungry. But yeah, we did it. And now we're going to see Jake and Karis, and I'm so excited. So it's time for Bingo Lingo. Jake, what are we doing tonight?
We're going Bingo Lingo.
We are indeed. It's the Christmas one.
Yeah, it was a lot more money.
Jake is obviously very festive.
I am Santa.
You're Santa.
Dressed up as a tree, I lied. Yeah.
A Christmas tree.
Yeah, a green Christmas tree.
We stopped off at Greg's as well. And Jake's devoured his. I am mid-devouring my second sausage roll. But yeah, we're off to Bingo Lingo!
Karis is late.
She is, very late. But we'll try and get her in.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, that's tonight's plan. So fun.
Alan's gay.
Rude.
Sending you my Christmas card. Say it's nice to have you here.
So I just thought I'd come and catch you up from yesterday. So yesterday I was working in the day and we were having a bit of a mare because we were going to Bingo Lingo. When it's a work day and it's, well, when it's a Bingo Lingo day, I always get home and literally get changed and go back out. That is literally because I finish at 5 and then I'm like, right, if I'm in town or at least on the train by about, I think it's 6:15 my train in, then I'm like decent amount of time to go to Greg's, go queue and go to Bingo Lingo. So that was the plan. Karis was coming from, I keep saying Plymouth Way, I don't know if that is right, but it is Plymouth Way that she comes from, and she was panicking then because she was like, oh my god, there's so much traffic, it's standstill traffic. She wasn't sure she's going to make it in, and we're like, oh, it'll be fine, like, you know, we'll try and figure it out, see if we can let them know that you're coming a bit later and come and join us and that. Oh my god, the queue was horrendous. I went and met Jake. We did go to Greg's. They didn't have any steak bakes and I was really sad, so I had 2 sausage rolls and I can't remember what Jake had. But then we went and queued, and the queue was massive, like really, really big. And we were like, to be honest, she will be there and she will get in a decent amount of time because there's no way that queue's going down before she gets here. So we told her, we were like, you've got plenty of time, you're going to make it in, you'll be completely fine. So Keris did end up making it into town and Bingo Lingo on time. She literally parked like not that far from Bingo Lingo, which was very good because then she stayed over mine. Literally all she had to do was leave a little bit earlier to get her car. But when we were out, we literally went to Bingo Lingo. We were talking about going to Bonnie Rogues afterwards, but we didn't end up doing that. So we were like, well, we'll get some food and then see how we feel. We went and got some food and we realised that actually that was the last time that we will see her before she goes travelling. Her's going travelling for pretty much the whole year next year. And yeah, she's missing a lot and she's so excited. I'm so excited for it. It's going to be an incredible experience. But it's a year without Keris, which is really sad. And we were like, oh, she was like, I don't know if you guys realise, but it's the last time I'll actually be seeing you before I go. Like, I can't come back down to Cardiff afterwards, so this will be the last time that I'm seeing you. And we were really sad. So we are going out this weekend again for lunch as like a little goodbye meal. But yeah, it was really sad, but really nice at the same time. We had such a wholesome evening. It was really cute. But yeah, we had food and then just decided to go home then, and literally I was falling asleep in the taxi, and then we got home and we're just out like a light. Jake went home as well. But we had such an incredible evening. Like, the vibes there were incredible. We made friends. It was just brilliant. Like, the Christmas special was next level. But yeah, we had such a good time. But yeah, this is day, I don't even know what days it was. I think it was 11, 12 and 13. I think I might have missed a day. But this is what I've been doing over the last few days. It's been hectic. It's been chaotic. It's more chaotic over the weekend, but this has been the last few days. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you all again soon. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.